Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best battery desulfators this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Battery MINDER 1500 Battery Desulfator. If your car, van or motorcycle battery has stopped performing at its full capacity, it is time to take charge and get yourself a desulfator. However, not every desulfator will be able to fix your battery problems. You need a reliable, easy-to-use regenerator like the Battery MINDER AMP battery and maintenance charger that can safely and surely resolve and restore your underperforming battery. The Battery MINDER takes on the task of using a high range of frequencies to dissolve hardened sulfate buildup over time, ensuring that your battery returns to its usual optimum state of operating. Even new batteries can start malfunctioning when their charge is constantly interrupted or left uncharged for periods of time. Hence why this desulfator helps to safely soften sulfated batteries and get them working well again. This regenerator is able to work on various ranges of battery types using high-frequency pulses to properly recondition and prolong battery life. You will be able to regenerate up to 4 batteries in one go provided you have a 210AYY connector. The best key features are: extend battery life up to 4 times, maintain 4 batteries at the same time, installed automatic high-low temperature compensator, FCC certified. 2. Clean Power Battery Desulfator. At first, it may seem easy to simply replace faulty batteries, but when you really sit down and think about the added costs and the uncertainty of the new battery's longevity, it is quite smart to invest in a more long-term and budget-friendly option instead. To make life easier, why not opt for the lead-acid battery's Battery Regenerator 400R Auto Pulse Desulfator? This way, you can adequately charge and regenerate weak batteries, and effectively restore them to their initial "charge full" state. As the average battery rejuvenator operates on old technology, the likeliness of damaged lead plates are high, which would still lead to a replacement of batteries. However, the lead-acid battery's desulfator is built with a new technology that safely pulses electronically controlled currents to dissolve the sulfates back into the electrolyte. This ultimately revives the potency of the battery, restoring its ability to maximally receive and discharge current without harming the lead plates. The best key features are: new advanced technology, LED light indicator, portable and lightweight, peak AMP of 4 max and auto setting of 12 to 72 volts. 3. Extreme Charge Battery Desulfator. Why spend money on replacing multiple batteries, when you can purchase the Extreme Charge XC100P desulfator at an affordable and budget-friendly price? The Extreme Charge uses controlled microprocessing and proprietary algorithms to ensure the charging process goes as simply and smoothly as possible. The controlled pulses ensure that the desulfator is supplying the appropriate and safest current to the battery, to prevent damaging the lead plates or burning out. It is the perfect maintenance charger for all 12 volts lead battery types, and is able to bulk charge batteries quickly and safely so they can be used thereafter. It achieves maximum and required charge through concisely assessing and testing 12 volts lead-acid batteries once it is connected, whether they are VRLA, AGM or flooded. This way, it can accurately ascertain the rate at which it should be charged by evaluating the size and the condition of the battery. Using these tests, when the extreme desulfation battery charger is connected to the batteries, it is able to identify which batteries are actually unredeemable and cannot be regenerated. The included patented pulse technology guarantees that your new batteries stay in peak condition whilst the older ones are appropriately regenerated. The best key features are: evaluates and tests 12 volts lead batteries, makes bulk charging quick and simple, variable float charge, patented pulse technology. 4. Saver Battery Quick Charger and Auto Pulse Maintainer. The Battery Saver Quick Charger and Auto Pulse Maintainer features one of the fastest charging technologies, along with being an integrated microprocessor, automatic pulse desulfator, modular cabling system and a digital battery tester. All these features bundled up in one device gives it a rightful place on this list, along with the fact that it works powerfully to monitor the safe and efficient charging of batteries regardless of their sizes. Its dynamic modeling system works to ensure the chargers last longer than most desulfators. If you have a vehicle with more than one battery, this desulfator is perfect. With its 50-watt capacity, it can charge up to 6 12-volt batteries at the same time when placed together in a parallel form. What's more, the battery tester feature is a great addition as it efficiently determines the condition of the battery. So it delivers the right charge and ascertains if the battery can be regenerated. And when the battery is optimally charged, this 50W quick charger switches from charging mode to maintain and precisely monitor the performance levels. The best key features are: safe and easy to set up and operate, microprocessor controlled, auto pulse prolongs battery life, modular cabling system. 5. PulseTech Power Pulse Battery Maintenance System. The PulseTech Power Pulse Battery Maintenance System has the capacity to work on all 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid battery types such as the sealed maintenance-free, VRLA, AGM, hybrid, conventional flooded, antimony and calcium plate battery types. With its smart pulsating system, it readily provides throbs of high-frequency currents into the battery to charge and maintain it. Regardless of whether your battery is new or damaged due to not charging it as often as needed, or not charging it long enough to reach its full charge, use this desulfator to charge new batteries to readily prevent the formation of sulfur crystals. What's more, it will ensure optimal battery performance and a prolonged lifespan up to 5 times longer with unhinged and excellent services. It is suitable to use on a wide range of batteries, be it starter batteries in vehicles or boats and RVs. The PulseTech will offer a reliable supply, along with a good charge and maintenance to ensure that your motor is running soundly again. The best key features are: peak battery performance. Works on all 6 volts and 12 volts lead batteries. Extends battery life x5. Greater charge acceptance.